What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Full Throttle Josh. We're back here today finishing up this DRZ 400 KLX 400R. I got the rear brake working pretty well. What I had to do for this rear brake was this assembly, which is, let me see if I can fucking find it. This assembly here, I tried bleeding it and a bunch of shit and I was getting no pressure, so my assumption is all the fucking seals and shit inside of here are fucked. Didn't want to rebuild it. I had a spare because I took apart my other DRZ 400.
The shit abyss.
And now we're here bleeding the front. All right. We got most of that shit out of there. It's crazy. I remember one time I did this shit. I was working at the shop. I was bleeding brakes. I wasn't getting any pressure. I'm like, why am I not getting any pressure here? Let me see what's going on up here. And I pulled this cap on one of these old CB 350s, and inside the brake fluid turned to like pomade, bro, like gel. It's the weirdest thing, man. All right. Oh yeah. Oh. Oof. Deadly.
And my record's gonna drop when we going to the top.
Yeah, we gotta take this sprocket off because I don't know. This sprocket looks like shit. Then we gotta find some sort of socket that's gonna fit this thing. Yeah, I'm trying to search. Don't have that big of a socket here, so I'm gonna have to run to my house and grab one of my giant socket sets to get that front sprocket off so I can install the chain. But before I leave right now, I'm gonna put the front tire on. I don't know, I'm thinking we're getting a test ride today. I don't wanna mushroom this end here, so. Screwdriver fit? Oh yeah. You can fuck off now.
Who's fucking with me? Think this is fucking funny? Fucking idiots.
That's what I get for being fucking lazy.
I'm gonna need some help from you, Dix, alright?
Fuck. We're not gonna do that again. Right. Biatch.
Truck driving, passed out Phantom 309 motherfucker.
I got new pads, but those front pads got some life left to them, and I plan to do new rotors and shit in the summer, so I'm gonna leave them. Warp 9 Elites, bitch. This spacer goes here. Fucking too much, dude.
What the fuck's he doing? Come on!
Alright, fun begins. Dude, that's really close. But it's not hitting, so I guess it's alright. I guess I'm gonna have to reroute the brake line. I just fucking spent time bleeding this shit. And all this shit's gonna piss out. Bitch. Yep, everything's gonna piss all over the tire. She's gonna have to go up and around here like this. All this shit I'm figuring out on the fly. I did not know I had to do all this shit for the supermoto conversion.
Boys? What? What? I'm fucking big, but I think I just saw a lady in a dress in the fucking woods.
I thought it was gonna be a direct swap. Alright, I guess we'll do the front fender. Whoa. What bolts they use here? Allen's. Lovely. That's the last thing I want to do is dick around with Allen underneath there for fucking 20 minutes.
That's what she said.
Okay, you can stop being a bitch. Yes, 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 yes. Front fender's on. I guess next is the headlight. Oh, I can't wait to fucking ride, bro. It's been a while. It's a nice day today, too. I've been working on this shitty bike all fucking winter. So I deserve it. Now it's my time to shine, bitch. we go. This seems right, because then you go this, right? Yeah. And then you got this. Bitch.
I'm a motherfucker under a lot of pressure, you know what I'm saying? You know that, right?
This cheap ghetto eBay chain, dude. Looks like it's made out of fucking plastic. Boom. We're in business now. 1, 2, 1/2. Third click from 1. Money. It's good enough for now. We're just going down the street. We're not doing anything fucking wild. Alright guys, I'm gonna pull her out, get her started, do the whole shebang.
Alright boys, let's do this. It's gonna be easy, you wanna know why? Because Leahy and Rainey are stupid as fuck.
This shit is tough. Alright guys, here she is. She's basically done. She rides, she turns on. I mean, I'm gonna have to tweak a couple things here and there. Throw the lights on and shit.
Hey, you down with feet? Me too, B. You know what I'm saying?
Dude, it feels so weird. I haven't been on a bike in a while, and I haven't been on a sumo ever. So the steering geometry is just so fucking weird, bro.
No, quit dragging it out. Just go, no!
Fucking, the rear brake isn't locking up, really, like, that well. Maybe that fucking rotor's done. Because those pads still have a lot of meat to them. Let's just do some test rides, man. Here we go. On. Oh, dude, it's way easier to wheelie this thing. I'm gonna get hurt on this fucking thing. Wants to come up in second. Let's see how the rear brake locks up. See? Why is it doing that, dude? I just fucking pumped it and put new brake fluid in there. I don't know why it's doing that, man. We're gonna have to figure out that rear brake. Fires up every time. Oh shit! That's just me chasing him too. Wow, dude! Holy shit! This is like, I think it's not getting fuel. That's why it's being retarded right now.
You hear that there, Mr. Microphone Man? If we get this thing down the net, you fucking jump in and help us. Freaking idiot.
Come on, dude. We're gonna have to limp back. Now we gotta fucking walk this thing all the way back. This is gonna be great.
Tracks lead right to shit town. What the fuck's going on?
Damn, the walk of shame.
Who said we're supposed to be happy all the time? I mean, it's a fairy tale. We're not supposed to be happy. You're supposed to be miserable. And that's what drives you to do things. So this is the normal, natural state of man, and you need to just get over it. I haven't got time for people who are going to sit there and cry about being unhappy, because happiness is on top of a mountain. So if you don't climb it, then you don't deserve happiness.
Shit, besides that, the fuel being retarded, cutting out. She was running good. I popped some wheelies. I ripped up and down here. I banged through all gears. I haven't been on like a bigger displacement bike in a while. I've been whipping the DR200 around and the 250. Being on this is just like, oh shit. Forgot these little 400s pack a fucking punch. This thing feels heavy though, dude. 5-minute break. That was a fucking long walk. Let's see if she's getting fuel. Ow. She's getting fuel. Alright guys, we made it back from the walk of shame. I'm thinking it's a carb issue, to be honest, because every time I give it gas now, it just kills it. I don't know what I did or what the fuck happened when I was doing wheelies or whatever. I guess I knocked something around or something weird happened with the carb, so I'm gonna have to dive into it. That's another video for another time. We'll take all this shit back off and we'll see what the fuck's going on.
Basically peach and cake, but it just pisses me off. These two are always fucking up.
You see, we got it running, everything. Now it's just the fine tweaks. Like, I knew it wasn't gonna be 100%. I was crossing my fingers, bro, like dead ass. But I knew it was gonna be a gamble, and we fuck around and we found out. So next video of us fine tuning this shit and figuring out what the fuck the issue is. Well, it's been real, guys. Deuces. Full Throttle Josh out.